So hello big guys, to today's video. So I need to show you some BIOS before. So what you have over here, some power on options, BIOS power on onboard devices, what you have. Oh no, I don't need it now. Power management, set a password, device configuration, etc. But I need to show you boot order. So as you know, for the formatting of the disk, you need to have some Windows install on another USB bootable, so you can boot it. So yeah, you over here you have you can disable it. For example, you can enable it with F5, with F10 you can accept it, or escape to cancel, and with enter you just move it up or down, so you accept it. And you just save changes and exit, and you accept it with F10. And that's it for today guys, see you in another video.